Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss how to make the perfect resume in 5 minutes. A resume is an essential tool for any job seeker. It's your first chance to make a good impression on a potential employer, so it's important to make sure it's done right. Now let's talk about how to write a resume that will help you stand out from the competition and land your dream job. Every resume has 5 main sections. Contact information. This includes your name, email address, phone number, and any relevant social media links. Professional summary. This is a brief overview of your skills, experience, and accomplishments. Work experience. This is a list of your previous jobs with your most recent job listed first. For each job, include your job title, company name, dates of employment, and a brief description of your responsibilities and accomplishments. Education. This is a list of your educational background, with your most recent degree or diploma listed first. For each degree or diploma, include the name of the institution, dates of attendance, and your major or area of study. Additional sections. This could include sections for skills, awards, certifications, or volunteer experience. Now, let's get into some tips for writing a compelling resume. Start with a strong structure. Your resume should be well organized and easy to read. Divide your resume into distinct sections, typically including summary or objective, a brief overview of your skills, experience and career goals, education. List your educational background, including the institution, degree obtained, and graduation date. Work experience. Reverse chronologically list your work experiences, highlighting key responsibilities, achievements, and contributions. Skills. Include both hard skills, technical expertise, and soft skills, interpersonal skills. Additional sections. Consider including relevant sections like awards, certifications, volunteer experience, or language proficiency. Use keywords. When you're writing your resume, make sure to use keywords that are relevant to the job you're applying for. This will help your resume get noticed by applicant tracking systems. Quantify your accomplishments. Quantifying your achievements is crucial to showcase your impact. Instead of simply listing responsibilities, use metrics and data to demonstrate the value you've added. For instance, instead of saying increased sales, state increased sales by 20% in 1 year. Proofreading for perfection. A perfectly crafted resume can be undermined by careless errors. Typos, grammatical mistakes, and inconsistencies can create a negative impression and raise doubts about your attention to detail. Proofread thoroughly. After completing your resume, read it multiple times and look for any errors in spelling, grammar, or punctuation. Seek feedback. Ask a friend, family member, or career counselor to review your resume and provide feedback. They may catch errors that you missed. Use spell check. Utilize spell check and grammar check tools to catch any lingering errors. However, don't rely solely on these tools. Manual proofreading is essential. Additional tips for resume success. Here are some additional tips for making sure your resume stands out. Use a professional template. There are many free and paid resume templates available online. Choose a template that is professional and easy to read. Keep it concise. Your resume should be no more than 2 pages long. Use strong action verbs. Use strong action verbs to describe your accomplishments. This will make your resume more impactful. Tailor your resume to each job. Don't just send out the same resume for every job. Take the time to tailor your resume to each position you're applying for. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update